What part of the camera controls the opening and closing of the shutter, regulates the quantity of light that reaches and affects the sensitized material, and a dial that sets the length of time in which light is allowed to enter the camera? A. Shutter speed. B. Focusing mechanism. C. Shutter release button. D. Shutter speed dial. Answer: D. Shutter speed dial. The lens is as important a part of a camera as the body. Lenses are referred to in generic terms as wide-angle, normal, and telephoto. The three terms refer to the focal length of the lens, which is customarily measured in A. Millimeters, B. Inches, C. Centimeters, D. Mile per second. Answer: A. Millimeters. What kind of lens causes light rays to converge or come together and is called a positive lens? A positive lens focuses light from a distant source into a visible image that appears on the opposite side of the lens to the object. A. Concave, B. Convex, C. Reflex, D. Converge. Answer: B. Convex. It is the process of changing the distance between the centers of the lens to the focal plane. It is the technique of adjusting the focal length to get a sharp image of the object or scene to be photographed. A. Infinity, B. Lens change, C. Focusing, D. Shutting. Answer: C. Focusing. It is important to have the lens at the right distance from the film, otherwise the image of an object point will be seen as A. Clear in appearance, B. Blurred in appearance, C. No photo, D. All of this. Answer: B. Blurred in appearance. What part of the film consists of silver compounds which are light sensitive and halogens? A. Top layer, B. Emulsion layer, C. Film base, D. Film surface. Answer: B. Emulsion layer. It is defined as the product of illumination and time. The unit is usually in meters candle second, which is equivalent to exposure produced by a light source of 1 candle power in the second at a distance of 1 meter from the surface of the sensitized material. A. Photographic exposure, B. Light, C. Photographic speed, D. None of this. Answer: A. Photographic exposure. These are used to control the relative tone values in which colors are rendered by the photographic process, to lighten or darken particular colors, or to obtain color separation records for color photography works. A. Viewing filter, B. Color filter, C. Filtering, D. None of this. Answer: B. Color filter. Because of the fact that all negatives do not print best on one kind of paper, and to permit printing for special effects, photographic papers are made in several different grades of contrast and surface texture. What is the paper made by Kodak that offers 6 degrees of contrast and a glossy surface? A. Glossy paper. B. Manila paper. C. Velox paper. D. Bond paper. Answer C. Velox paper. 1. That is executed under the Code of Commerce or any mercantile law containing disposition of commercial rights or obligations. A. Commercial document. B. Holographic wills. C. Notarial wills. D. Private document. Answer A. Commercial document.